Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Elektra micro gas espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the piston spring. The one, as you can see, this one has a crack over here and it was not having enough tension inside the groove head. We also replaced the gaskets of the machine and just gave it a good clean overall. And starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test out the machine and using the new spring as well. Unfortunately, the coffee that I choose for this machine was, as you can see, extremely really bad. It just went through straight away through the machine instead of making coffee. It was just really bad. And just to show you the water groove head, the water flow from the groove head, you can see it's working perfectly fine. Having good water flow. Excellent steam pressure inside. And yeah, there you have it. Elektra micro gas working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.